Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a row of youngins here. This is my oldest son, Michael's grandyoungin, or his kids. We'll start with the oldest one. This is Taylor, Henry. Where's Ruby? Ruby, and then
Haley,
and then Haley.
and then Levi.
Okay, they come down here today to help us clean up. We're gonna pull the mill out, get all this mess out of the floor.
I don't want to clean in that.
Some reason they want to earn money. They know all about money, so they want money from Pop. They're gonna have to work for it. So
I want money from Boo. The first time I got money from Pop.
you want
Oh,
money
they're
from
trying to dig
Boo-Boo?
out of my pockets
Yeah.
now.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get to it. We'll be right back. This is not a real entertaining video, but it's hilarious to me. If you got grandkids and you know what trying to herd cats is like, that's what this is going on back here. Chaos. But good Friday afternoon project. They needed something to do, get out of their mama's hair. But even the dogs are in on it. They're over here fighting over a stick, doing what dogs do. But we appreciate you watching anyway, though.
Get behind the red.
Girls complain about their broom color, don't earn no money. It's fine, okay. There's a lot over here that needs to be swept out. I don't know if you heard that, but the Lewis was, she was complaining about the broom being the wrong color. I told her, girls that don't complain about the broom color to get paid. The ones that do, they work for nothing. She said, it's fine, it's fine. They're hilarious.
Process here. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, you're just hindering the process. Oh, my stick down.
Okay, guys, let's get it sweetened up. Wow, we're gonna call it quits. Okay, guys, you can see Matthew got it back in here. It could be a little fiddly. It wasn't too bad that we added that post out there, but hey, it's the way things are. But it's back in. The floor's clean. It's 68 degrees today, and we had rain yesterday. The concrete's damp. You can't get all the sawdust up, so I'm not worried about it. It looks great. We got all the bark up. The bark we done a whole bunch of white pine, poplar that was old, and all the bark just fell off, landed on the ground. So it's all cleaned up now. Matthew and I really appreciate the grandkids helping us out. Now comes the hard part. Who wants to get paid?
You want to get paid?
Anybody want to get paid? Y'all good. Y'all working for free today. Well, go back in here in the honey hole. Everybody.
Groups.
Start the trash. How do you keep finding stuff on it?
What?
Ruby keeps finding stuff in mud. I'm like, how?
Y'all ready to go home?
No, let's talk about my nanas, because
Can't wait.
I need to change socks.
Ruby, hey,
Why do you got
Stacy.
one nanny?
that's 5 ones.
We have enough one? No.
Y'all can spend that one.
You gotta earn the next ones.
That's fine, nanas.
Guys, this is one of the great joys of
Yes,
working for
we'll start
yourself,
from
working
there,
at home.
but I need to change
I get to
socks.
see these turkeys every day. Some days it's hilarious, but we really appreciate you watching this channel. Matthew and I, it's all about family. I know you can't see them, but these kids just live on top of the hill. They can walk right through the woods to my house to see Nana or Pop, or they can walk right through here and go out to their great-grandparents and see them. So it's a wonderful life. We appreciate you watching. I know this is not a lot. It's not a real informative video, but I loved it anyway. So, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.